Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize payroll tax filings in Gusto, complete guide step by step clearly. To start authorizing payroll tax filings in Gusto, first, log into your Gusto account. Navigate to the Payroll section located in the main dashboard. Select the Taxes option from the drop-down menu. In the Taxes section, locate the Payroll Tax Filings tab. Click on the Payroll Tax Filings tab to view your filing history and upcoming deadlines. Identify the payroll tax filing you need to authorize. Click on the specific tax filing to open its details. Review the information provided for the tax filing, ensuring accuracy. If everything looks correct, look for the Authorize button. Click on the Authorize button to proceed with the filing. You may be prompted to enter additional information for verification. Provide any necessary information as requested. Once you submit the authorization, you should see a confirmation message. Check your email for a confirmation from Gusto regarding the authorized filing. Keep an eye on any upcoming tax filing deadlines to ensure compliance. If you have any concerns or questions during the process, this completes the authorization process for payroll tax filings in Gusto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.